scoot over here, go get installed, and show you the first card you will have to draw.
I have
No,
one
you have to take a good look at it, and then you have to draw it from memory.
Oh God! Wait the.
Go.
I give up. I give up. This is what I ended on.
And definitely a shape that looks like, I would say a face, but I'm not even sure at this point. A pointy face. We're adding color. That's already looking
It looks
good.
like I know you know Tron.
There's some pink.
Similar.
There's some pink above what seems to be a head.
Some afro.
What seems to be a head, dude? He is trying really hard to say it doesn't look like a dick.
Possibly.
Looks like a blob.
We are adding a rabbit.
Bob Ross.
Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to say what I think that is because.
Maybe.
Audio medic.
Yes, it
You
looks
still have
like
15
a
seconds. So, Jombre and Feeling, you both get one guess to try and find out what Baby Bear has drawn for us today.
One of each, or we have.
You have one guess each.
Okay.
Yeah, one guess each. Jombre,
Could you guys guess what this? I don't even know what the thing's name is called.
Hagatha.
Hagatha.
No.
It is not Hagatha.
It is not Hagatha.
Feeling, you have one guess as well.
It's just a minion.
Well, I mean, yes, all of them are minions.
Okay.
I hope that helps.
I'm not sure. Maybe it looks like the festival, but the festival one. But I'm still with the Audio Medic. No.
Audio Medic. It is not Audio Medic, unfortunately.
Audio Medic is just
Can
his
we show the
favorite
card,
card.
Please, it was
Braingill.
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 Doesn't it
was
look the
Braingill. It looks exactly the same.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. It is. It's perfect. It is absolutely
I didn't
perfect.
realize it was floating.
That's no hair. What do you think is sticking out of the brain there, buddy?
No peeking.
Okay. Look down.
Oh, Harth Stonebrew. Okay.
Do you believe you can do it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can do
All
it.
right, hold
I
on.
can do it.
I'm gonna start the same
Same
time
thing.
he
When
does.
the chalk hits the board, timer starts. Okay, let's go. Here we go.
Oops.
The chalk has broken a flower. That's possible. Yeah. A smiling flower.
A round person.
Oh. Okay. I think I'm starting to have an idea.
Okay.
Oh.
So it's
I think it's
sweater, you know?
no.
Is that a
I
mustache?
think we're adding a mustache.
Oh, it's
Okay.
a beard?
Very, very big beard. The minute is done.
This is the best I can do.
Have an idea.
I don't
based
remember
on
exactly
you're
what the
seeing
card
here.
looks
First
like.
Of all, what do you think?
Kind of
it
hard to
is?
see because of the
Like,
lines,
what is
but
generally described on this drawing.
that cake is like the big giveaway
Seems
though.
to be someone relaxing.
I have no idea.
I will guess Ham the Hungry.
Ham the Hungry is unfortunately incorrect.
Oh.
So, you know, I'm gonna say.
Why are people
that
hating on
that's not
Priest so much?
birthday
Everyone
cake,
hates
but like a
Priest.
drum, and it's
Okay.
drum circle.
No.
So I said it's only minions.
Only
Oh,
minions.
it's only
I
minions.
can't even do
So-
that. Okay, no, I don't know them.
Did she just say oh shit?
No idea.
Birthday, Hearthstone 10th birthday.
Hearthstone.
It is Harth Stonebrew.
Oh.
Oh, that is
no.
unfortunate.
Oh no.
Did she just
I
literally
think
say
that
oh
was a
shit?
good- that was a good try
It
by
was
Feeling
actually a birthday cake.
Yeah. We're gonna go with this. Do you believe?
Yeah, I reckon this one.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on a
You think
minute.
this one is possible? All right, Jombre.
So guys, we don't know what it is. All right, so guys, you're gonna have to guess
Let's
it.
Okay, so
Unhappy person.
a mad butterfly.
Mad elephant. A mad
Very
elephant.
large ears. With
What?
Oh, it's Jim Raynor. It's Jim
Wait, is it
Raynor.
a giant? Race car?
It's like a big gun.
Oh, it is. Is it?
Okay, we still have 20 seconds.
Jim-
if
it's
you want
Jim
to add
Raynor.
some
Yeah, it's
details
Jim,
so
bro.
the channel doesn't get banned.
So the channel doesn't get banned.
It looks like
Can
mini
it-
set one.
Can it? Is it allowed to be a hero?
Hero cards are allowed.
Ah, probably Raynor,
Be a
right?
Jim Raynor?
I will say.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. Jim, are you going with Jim Raynor? Feeling?
Yes.
You're going with Jim Raynor.
Jim Raynor.
It is Jim Raynor.
Yeah.
So they said that they were all minions. That's not true.
Congrats, that's 50 points in the bank for Team Perrin. If you get that last answer, you get it. I would be impressed. But I like being impressed.
Okay,
Bruh.
I'm gonna get started.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think you can do it?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. We're going with blue, I believe, this time.
Yeah, it's a big gun. He's got a big gun.
Person with a hat.
Oh, is it Firefly?
A fancy hat.
It's Firefly.
For the moment, the Terran team does not seem to
No, don't know.
be quite so sure.
Some coffee.
Wait, what?
So, a bored person with coffee.
Okay.
We've established that.
Oh, Zephyrs! Yeah, it's Zephyrs!
We do not have that
You
much
know?
detail.
Zephyrs. It really looks like Zephyrs.
Oh, it could be, yeah.
Real.
Yes. Oh, it is, yeah, you got it.
I heard that you had some
I
ideas.
think
The
Feeling knows
animation. Look. The coffee animation of Zephyrs.
Oh, Zephyrs?
Zephyrs.
Zephyrs. Which Zephyrs?
The new one.
The new one.
The new
Zephyrs.
one.
Okay. Dream Planner Zephyrs.
Dream Planner Zephyrs. I honestly couldn't tell you what his name was either.
It is Dream Planner Zephyrs. And
I just can't.
jumped into
I
the
can't get over
There's-
this, dude.
I'm setting this up.
Hello, thank you, Ademian, as we catch Jump Break just practically adjusting his headset at the last minute. Hello, how's it going? How did you enjoy the little mini game?
The minigame?
You enjoy that mini
It's
game?
not got any